What's good, try YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I don't know if y'all can tell where I'm at exactly, but it's an automotive museum, like it says right there. I'm about to go inside and show y'all the cool cars, all the classic cars, all the important cars. I'm about to show y'all the cars I think are cool that maybe y'all would like. I'm excited for the museum because I've actually never been inside, but I have seen it driving past multiple times, so it'll be my first time, and I'm gonna see what I can find in there. I don't know, but I'm hoping to kind of see like some race cars, like NASCAR, some F1 cars or something. But look at this little view right here. I'm about to run over there and show y'all the view real quick. I'm on top floor of the parking lot, so it ain't as spectacular as I thought it was, but we up here. Y'all see the 63 from all the way over there. Take that, baby. Got a vet chilling over there. Yeah, man, the Peterson's Automotive Museum. I'm about to get in there for the first time. I'm gonna show y'all what I see. I'm really excited for this one. I'm gonna hit y'all back. I was watching the Lamborghini movie, the one versus Ferrari. And I believe this is the exact same Lambo that he was actually driving in the movie. Well, not obviously the same one, but the model, you feel me? Look at that thing. So square, so boxy, but it's remember Vice City. 95 McLaren F1. Look at the seat position on that though. Look at the mirrors. There's a single seater, 2 mirrors right there. Look at that. 1, 2, seat right in the middle. McLaren. Y'all see the engine exposed right there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all could realize what this is right here. I never knew they had this right here. On display and everything. Y'all had this car in GTA, let me know, because I definitely had it. Yeah, I believe I just found my dream car, my future car. Check this thing out right here. The Pac-Man mobile, the Pac-Man rod. Look at that, supercharged. Individual intake. Big old wheels, look at these wheels. They're about like 2 feet wheels, 2 feet wide wheels, y'all. 1985, if you were a millionaire, this is what you'll be riding in. Check this out, Ferrari. Chrome accents everywhere. Let me know if y'all choose this over that Lambo that's right over there. Y'all, this is actually really cool to me. Look at this. It's a first ever Lambo truck. This a V12 packed in here. Big old body. I thought it was an old ass Jeep. Look at these mirrors. Look, adds cargo in the back and everything. Way extra seats back there. Look at the interior. I don't know if y'all can see that, but nah, it is extremely cool to me. I never seen it before. I want you to see this real quick. This is a 1995 build, 1,000 horsepower, 5.8 liter V8. Out of a V8, 1,000 horsepower in 95. This is actually crazy. Look at the car, the way this is built. I see the bikes over here for all my bike people. Honestly, getting a bike would be extremely cool, but nah, that's too scary. I used to ride pedal bikes actually. I got hurt extremely bad, so I don't think I'll ever hop in a motorcycle, but looking at these. Got the same Mercedes 1,000 horsepower. You could actually see the engine a little bit exposed from back here. Barely even anything. But this is actually crazy. Y'all, if any of you guys actually know what this is off the bat, I'm pretty sure y'all could tell from the body itself. But I mean, the body is extremely long. This wheelbase, I'm pretty sure, is way extended. Look at the tires, look at the wheels. Recaro seats in there, obviously imported. Wheel on the other side. What y'all think about this one? What y'all think? Y'all, this car from the front looks funny. I haven't even noticed it. It kind of like a little catfish. Y'all remember the old Camaros? Y'all know they call them the catfish Camaros. It kind of looks like exactly like that. Engine in the back. What does it say? 600 horses from a 2.6 V8 twin turbocharged. 1986. 600 horsepower. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think it looks funny.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Kendrick Lamar. Kendrick Lamar.
Check out the build, yo. Kendrick or Drake? Kendrick or Drake? Let me know. Drake fell off. Something was definitely going on in the 80s and 90s, because look at these cars right here. It comes with funky cars. It looks cool, but they're a little bit funky. This one's definitely funky right here. I don't know why you would buy this in the 90s, in the early 90s. And I forgot to show y'all this, but as soon as you enter the museum, look at what you see. Right off the bat. Look at that. Look at that. How do you even, bro, like, how do you even get in there? Back there. Front lineup right here, yo. Look at this one, too. This one's crazy. It is a newer car. Y'all see that? Go follow them right there. I'm guessing this is someone's actual car. Carbon fiber everywhere. This is literally an F1 legal road car. Just look at the build of this cockpit. Big old wing in the back. Let me know y'all want this one back here, or even this one. I ain't even show y'all this one. Just no. Think about this one. This one looks good. This one looks pleasing. This one looks the most pleasing out of all of them, I'll say. Look at this design. Look at those windshield wipers, though. How much y'all think it would cost to replace these windshield wipers? Let me know. Check out the interior. Look at the build of this car. Look at the wrap. Look at everything. If someone gave this to you, would y'all drive around in this? This is just a furry car. I think it's hot in there. Even the wheels got fur, bro. It is actually a 2024 project. It is funny. Yeah, check out the little big car. I'm about to hop in this thing right here, though.
My car is so fast, it's a blur. Feels like I'm flying on the highway.
Yeah, check out this car. If y'all don't know this car, this is actually Kanye West design. He built this car from scratch. Made the wheels from his own bare hands and everything. Check out these bands right here, though. That's crazy. Look at these wheels. Yo, off of my Benz, I hate cleaning the wheels because the spokes are so dirty to get into. They're so hard to get into. Now imagine with these, that's crazy. Look at the big old wing back here. Chrysler supercar. This body reminds me like of a completely R8, like the way it even has that hood scoop, how the back is oriented, short front end, and look at this interior. Nah, it looks like the whole body frame is actually made out of carbon fiber. Look at the seats as well, carbon fiber. Look at that. Let's see what years this is. The 2004 with a Mercedes V12 in it. Look at these tail lights. God dang. You can see the wheels from back here. I better look at the interior out here. Look at this thing. Big old wheel. You can see a bit of that V12 exposed back there. Come back around so I can show y'all more. Look at that thing. Huge. Y'all, look at this V right here, though. Karma, I never even heard of that brand. Y'all see the forged carbon on the side? It's built crazy. Alright, look at these funky ass cars, though. We got a little tricycle. Look at this one. Look at this one. More little cars. Little tricycle right here, though. Look at the little pedals out in the front. Look at the little pedals, dog. They told you could only drive one of these two cars for the rest of your life. Which would you choose? Lemon green apple, or orange soda pop? Let me know. Look at the mystery machine. I had not expected to see this here out of all things. You know, if you ever watched Scooby-Doo, because personally, I never even watched Scooby-Doo like that growing up. Yeah, look at this, though. They really ready to go out of war out here in the Peterson. Y'all, this is actually a whole Aston Martin room, so I'm about to give y'all a quick walk around of everything that's in here. Right off the bat, you can't miss this one. Look at this. I'm doing this quick, so I'm just give y'all a quick little walk around of them all. Boom. You got this John over here. Something on the wall over here. What does it say? And it looks like to be completely made out of carbon fiber, yo. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. The whole body is made out of carbon fiber. Got some real sleek tires on there. Look at this John. Aston Martin Valkyrie with a V12, the most track Eagle road car. This definitely wipes out the AMG one for sure. For sure. The seats, how you fit in? They gotta be like 5'3" to fit in there. That's the Martin though, exhaust out the side, carbon fiber everywhere. 820 horsepower, only 24 ever built. And one of them is right here. Look at this. Look at that. Side exhaust is really the most thing that I love the most though. Interior carbon roof, look at the interior. Half cut off steering wheel, look at those seats. Alright, we just entered like the little dirt section. Look at these cars, I'm gonna give y'all a quick little walk around. You got the motorcycles right here, right in the center. Look at this one, the extremely long wheelbase. I don't know if it's power that I got pushing out. Chains on the tires. Got the big old monster truck. This kind of looks like a Monster Jam paint. They do big old shocks on this one though, and the big old tires. Look at this. That's crazy. Yeah, look at this Shelby GT350 with a Pro Charger. One of my dream cars actually the GT500 from '66. The interior's clean. I like this interior. It looks extremely spacious. Next to the Barracuda. If y'all had any GTA, let me know. Let me know. I think it's cost about what, like 4 or 5 million GTA. I'll never be able to afford this thing, but god damn, look at this. Look at the inside. Bumblebee right here. And if y'all know Bumblebee, the movie, they say ain't no regular Camaro. It had obviously things so it could stand out and be Bumblebee. But look at the exhaust back there. Obviously one thing they changed. Look at the rotors, the brakes, whatever. I mean, this is made to be good on picture. Look, y'all see it back there. This is meant to be on frame. OG Bumblebee. I never really watched Transformers neither, once or twice, but let me know what y'all think. Y'all seen we just exiting the Peter Museum now. Let me know what y'all thought about those cars. Let me know what y'all thought about the montage. If y'all like the video, please subscribe, bro. Give you a little coaster. That's the end of the video. If y'all like this video, please subscribe, please like. He's here at the Peterbilt Museum, Peterson Museum. Please subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Happy holidays to anybody watching this video. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.